Buck and the Boy is a story of forming lasting friendships beyond first impressions. This book by Marco McDewey covers overcoming loss and hardship with the support of trusted companions, forgiveness, and reconciliation. This is a tender and heartwarming story that will probably leave you teary-eyed, but with a smile on your face. What may also bring tears to your eyes is the story behind the story. The author wrote this book for his father 6 years ago. His father's name was Gilbert, but he went by Buck. He shared this heartwarming story with his father, who absolutely loved it. Sadly, his father passed this past year in February. In order to honor him and also his mother, the author self-published the story with a cover that he also designed himself. While this story is something deeply sentimental to the author, I also feel that it's something touching to anyone who reads it. And one of the reasons that I love indie books and indie publishing so much is that it does allow people just like this to bring their stories to a wider audience. Otherwise, we would never get to hear this. Buck and the Boy is on Amazon. It's in paperback and on Kindle, and it's also available on Kindle Unlimited, so you can borrow it with your subscription. It is a short book. It's a quick read. I read it in one day, pretty much in one sitting. It really is a sweet story, and if you check it out, make sure that you leave a review for the author. I'm sure it'll mean a lot, especially because this story is in honor of his father.